Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is a quick rundown of brand new Blender add-ons that you probably missed that are currently available for this week. Some of these add-ons are pretty interesting and there's a couple of them that have discounts that I believe a lot of you guys may want to consider checking out. And with that said, let's get right into it. The Rockmaster tool from Miyu is a procedural rock creation tool that comes with geometry nodes, shaders, and also model assets. Currently, this is doing a limited time offer 30% discount, and for those who would like to get this, you can simply go over to the link in the description that'll bring you right here where you can grab the Rockmaster tools and you can also grab every other stuff from Miyu that are currently doing 25% off. The cool thing with the Rockmaster tool is you can quickly and easily create unique rock models and materials. So whether you're trying to create rocks by simply using the geometry node set of tools that are currently available, or you would like to create them by simply using shaders, you can. This comes with over 400 plus assets that you can easily work with, and it comes with a variation of shaders and rock types, giving you options to create unique rock types and also fiddle with these parameters however you choose. And for those who like to get this, links to this alongside the coupon code will be in the description, so do well to check it out. Curtis has just recently announced Afterglow. Afterglow is a collection of immersive light assets designed to help you achieve incredible lighting in your scenes easily. This is created for Cycle's engine, and Afterglow allows you create that physical light presence that you want with accurate reflection and soft bouncing lighting. With a couple of interesting types of assets that you can work with, this absolutely changes how you can start creating your lighting inside of Blender. And of course, this also comes with a couple of presets that you can actually have access to within your asset browser, and the way you set up this light is super easy. From studio cages, studio environment, materials, HDRIs, character cages, camera setup, and so on, you do have all of the assets that you can use to fine-tune and create amazing looking lighting scenes for your project. And for those who like to get this is currently available from Curtis Holt. And here's an interestingly cool add-on from the folks at Blender Procedural. Now, I've talked about Blender Procedural over time and the kind of interesting things that they've created. And today we're seeing the Trail Generator, which is an interesting tool for creating trails for any character that you have. This comes with a couple of presets that you can work with, and it also comes with a good number of parameters. So to any of the presets that you select and apply on any of the models that you would like to create trails from, you can customize the trails, the colors, and also how they behave overall. This is an interesting tool for anyone who has been thinking about adding trails to their character or performances. And for sure, if you're looking for more procedural stuff, then you might want to consider taking a look at the folks at Blender Procedural and see some of the cool things that they have. 3D VFX has recently released the Procedural Thread Simulator, and this tool is perfect for those who like to simulate threads, cables, or even ropes, as it comes with some interesting set of tools for collision and also chopping off the thread. More so, this also comes with about 11 unique presets that you can use to quickly achieve various styles and effects for the cables, ropes, or wires that you're making, which simply streamlines your workflow and enhances your creativity. And with this, there's also some procedural thread simulation tools that are currently available. And this includes the thread solver for curve, thread presets, the thread profile, the pinning types, stiffness parameters, forces, break, cut, collision, and also friction. So if you're looking for a cable tool or a thread tool that you can use to create any of these that has been mentioned, or maybe you're looking for something pretty new that you can use to create that very simple and sweet simulation for your scenes, then you might simply want to go ahead and check this one out. VFX has also created a couple of interesting things over time, which also includes the Procedural Water Simulator, the Welder tool, which is also another amazing tool that is currently available, the Procedural Flow Map, and also the Procedural Weaver. And for any of these ones that kind of interest you, then you can simply go over to the link in the description and check it out. And if you're in the market looking for some nice cool VDBs, which has to do with smoke and dust, then you might want to consider taking a look at VDB Forge from the folks at CGI Forge, as they've actually created over 100 simulated VDBs that you can use. All of these are high quality animated smoke, dust, and stream VDB simulations with a standalone library that you can simply start working with. These are currently available within your asset browser, as you can simply just drag, drop into your scenes and start creating with 36 loopable simulations and a couple of parameters that you can simply take advantage of when creating with the VDBs. So if you're thinking about spicing up your scene with some smoke, dust, or stream VDB simulations, then the VDB Forge from the folks at CGI Forge is definitely a very good pick. And if you've been thinking about blending your materials or simply mixing them inside of Blender, then the Ghost Matter from Pictofilmo is definitely a very cool option that you might want to see. The Ghost Matter just simply allows you mix textures however you want, as this add-on uses a dedicated node editor to mix the materials. The materials that you have to work with do not need any specific configuration, as all materials are super compatible with it. Ghost Matter also offers some additional tools like decal projection, which you can apply on the model. They've also got texture baking to image or vertex colors, and a few additional tools to allow you mix your texture however you want inside of Blender. The folks at Pictofilmo are also the same creators of Catfire, Rigika, and Kaboom. And for those who haven't seen Kaboom or probably see what it can do, this is a very nice fracturing tool that can allow you animate the blasters, bake your keyframes, fracture any model of choice, add debris, add smokes, and also create custom rough cuts that you would like to fracture and how you would like to fracture your model. And this is also something that is super useful that I believe a lot of you guys may want to use, especially if you've been thinking about adding or creating fractures that has to do with explosion in your scenes. And speaking about fractures, the folks at Light Architect has also updated Khaos, which is the ultimate explosion and destruction add-on. This has been rewritten and now comes with an advanced procedural mesh explosion system, which allows you to create explosions really easily inside of Blender. And of course, with this, you can create a fire system, a smoke system, a dirt system, and also add 3D scan debris like glasses, concrete, and also sparks, making your explosions more true to life. So if you're looking for explosion add-ons that you can work with, the new Khaos tool, which now comes with a brand new procedural detonator, is now available by the folks at Light Architect, and link to this is going to be in the description. And for those looking for discount, Blend Shop from Cassie Ship is doing a 25% offer right now. So if you've always wanted to get anything from Cassie Ship, like we've mentioned in previous times, this might also be a very good time to check it out, as Cassie Ship is doing a 25% off only at this particular add-on at the point of recording. Previously, we did see that Cassie Ship was doing a 25% off on almost everything, but right now, this is basically what you can get. And of course, if you go over to Russell Studio, you'd also notice that Russell Studio has still kept the Trace Genius Pro for 25% off. So if you like to get that, or maybe you like to get the shot engine, then this is also something that is currently available. Some time ago, we did see that the folks at Polygonic, they were doing a sale, and that had to do with their birthday. So what we're going to do is take a look around and see if we can find the coupon code for this, and we're going to link it in the description. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at these, or probably you like to see some of these cool add-ons that are now available, then links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.